This little VEVOR smoke machine that I bought, SD308 flavor. I've never used this machine, and I've never used a smoke machine that looks this fancy. We're gonna see how it does. Step one, we need liquid in the liquidometer. It's a real term that VEVOR used. Okay, no idea how much this holds. Looks like we're starting to show on the gauge. Hey, get back here. So we're just below the max. I'm gonna go one smidge more. Call that good. Step two, plug it in. Now their cord's not long enough to get to the back of the car. I'm gonna put the smoke in through the tailpipe. So, hook it up to the battery. Whoop, careful. There we go. And then, this is the end of the smoke tube that's gonna go into this. So this part will go in here, and then I will pump up this bladder. This expands and fills the tailpipe. And then what it does is it allows the smoke to pass through the end of it. Like that. So, air mode first, and then turn on the smoke mode, and then wait. Okay, there you go. Got my steady stream of smoke. So it looks to me like the smoke is coming out from like right up here. All over, really.